Yes, as I have said, I have started screen recording my computer interface when my face is not being seen. But because there are some functions or features that I'm going to be showing you in this video, and those features are going to be somewhere here in this position, as you can see where I'm putting my cursor. When we enter into the OBS Studio, there are some settings that are going to be seen here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be positioning my face somewhere like here, because when you enter into the OBS Studio, this side up, sometimes nothing is there. That's why I'm not going to position here my face. I'm going to position it somewhere here, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can position it anywhere you feel like you want, because you may feel it somewhere like here, you may feel it somewhere like here, you may even sometimes position it here, you may position it here, you may position it anywhere you feel like you want in this screen. Therefore, without wasting time, let us enter into the OBS Studio. For example, here, this arrow means I'm using my OBS to record what you're seeing here. But this is how the OBS app looks like. Now what I'm going to do is to come here and click on enter, or on double click like this, as you can see. If it fails, because I'm already there, let me enter into the OBS Studio without wasting time, because this is a video. Now this recording here, this stop recording here means I'm already recording. If you click on pause, the recording will pause. But because I'm recording for you, let me first add my face as we have negotiated at the beginning, so that you can understand whatever you may feel like you want. And for more information or inquiries about this, please, my comment section is there for you. Now what you're going to do is to come here on this plus button, because the first step is adding scenes. As you have seen, this is the scene we are using. This scene here, I have set it and renamed it as Scene Beginner YouTube Tutorial. Scene Beginner YouTube Tutorial. This one, this is the scene. The whole screen here, it is what we call the scene, what we are seeing. Now to add all of this where you are seeing my cursor, it is called the display capture. If I remove it, you're going to be something blank. You are going to be seeing my screen when you are just hearing my audio, not seeing what I'm doing. So because I don't want to make you bored, I have to remove, to make sure this one is on. Or I can do it for you for a second. If you come into my comment section, I can come up with another video showing you how to remove this. But I believe by the end of this video, you will be able to do it for yourself. Now, to add your face here, as we have negotiated in the beginning, you come here on this plus button, and click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see something like this. But you can add your face in two ways, because sometimes this plus button may not be seen. Let me do it like this. This plus button and this one, sometimes they may not be seen for the first time when you upload or when you install this this OBS Studio app. For example, mine, when I added this OBS in my computer, I wasn't able to see this plus sign until when I did what I'm going to show you. In case you come up to install the OBS Studio and not seeing this plus button, please come into my comment section. But there you can add your face in two ways. If you don't use this plus button, you can just come here and right click. When you right click, this is what is going to come. You come here in this add and scroll, as you can see. Then even if you don't tap here, already the options have already come. This audio input capture, so forth and so on. I'm going to come up and explain all of these sources. So now, because we want to add our face and screen record when our audio is heard. For example, as you are hearing me, even though that I'm not using a microphone for now, I want to do it for you in an easy way. What you're going to do to add your face is to come here where there is a word video capture device, this one. Even there is a camera sign here, as you can see. This is a camera sign. Now you just click on left click, then you say OK, or you can rename it. You wait for some seconds, and here you also, as you can see, this is my face. Now you say OK. OK, as I'm doing it here, you say OK. Yes. You come here and resize this interface or resize this face. Yes. After resizing it, as you can see here, I have resized it. You can make it even full of your screen, or you can do it and position it like here. Yes. As I have said that I'm not going to position it here because there are some functions that I don't want to tamper with. Let me position it somewhere like here. Now, as you are seeing, this is my face. You can still resize it. You have all the options to resize it up to the size that you feel like you want. Now, if you don't want your face to be seen, you just come here and right click. When you right click, you come here and say remove. Yes. After saying remove, you click on yes. When you click on yes, your face is now not be seen. What you're going to do to add it again, you come here on the plus button, because for the last time we did it using the right click. Now let us use the plus button. You click on left click here and come here where there is a word video capture device. When you click there, you can rename it. For example, now let us do it as YT. I have renamed it as YT beginner. I normally use the word beginner because most of us, we are small YouTubers. Now what you're going to do is to come here and say OK. When you say OK, you wait for some seconds and again say OK. Now this is your face. For example, if it wasn't night time, you would have been seeing my face very well. Now, what you're going to do here is to come here on it and resize it. You first resize before you position. Resizing means reduce or increase, as you can see. You can use it in the whole screen, or you can position it like this. For any question related to this video, please feel free to use the comments section. Now, I'm still resizing, but now let me first position it. Let me position it somewhere like here. Let me position it somewhere like here, as you can see. Let me position it and resize it. I'm trying to position it somewhere as I'm resizing. Now that is it. So if you want to see the files that you have recorded in your OBS Studio, for example here, to show you the files that I have already recorded using this tool or that OBS Studio, you come here in the top right corner where there is a word file. When you reach there, you left click. There is these options that I have brought you. In these options, you come here where there is a word show recordings. As you can see, you left click and wait for some seconds for it to open up for you. Yes, you wait for it to open up for you. As you can see, I have a lot that I have recorded using my OBS Studio. I have a lot that I have recorded using my OBS Studio. For example, this one I recorded it when it was 8th of August 2025. This one I did it on 8th August 2025. This one I did it on 9th August 2025. This one on 9th, this one on 9th, this one on 9th, this one on 9th, this one the first OBS I did was on 19th July 2025. So when you want to open, you just come in one of them and click on enter. It is going to open up for you. For example, let me show you. Click on enter. When you click on enter, be patient, it is going to open up for you. But for now, let me leave that. For any inquiry, you come into my comment section and I show you. Don't fear, here you come on X, but now here don't come into X. If you are recording something, you click here to minimize the screen. As you can see, let me minimize it for you. You minimize. If you minimize, your screen is going to remain like as you can see. This is my interface. I think you are seeing, and by the way, I'm doing this when I'm offline. I'm not using any data to use OBS to record. Even I'm not using any microphone. I have done this when I'm offline. OBS is totally free of charge. No one is going to ask you any single coin to use the OBS Studio. Therefore, this is my YouTube app, these are my films, this is CapCut, and so forth and so on. This is how you can use OBS to record anything you feel like you want. Therefore, let me come back into the studio and I stop the video. For more inquiries, please use my comment section. Now, if you want to pause the recording, you just come here. As you can see, they are saying pause recording. Here you stop the recording. Now I'm going to stop the recording because the video is looking a bit longer, but I think you have gained something from the video. Therefore, as we are to stop the video, please, if it's true that you have gained something positive from this video, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like the video, to share it to any other friends of you, or share it in any way. Comment on the video. Thanks very much for subscribing. We meet in my next video. I love you so much. Please, and so please, make sure you don't quit YouTube. Instead, stop calling people from other platforms to subscribe to your channel, minus those who are interested in the niche you are doing. I love you so much. Maximum respect. Let me stop the video. We meet in the comment section. So to stop the video, you click on stop. You do it 2 times. Stop and then yes.